tree. Okay, I am pretty certain that that is working this time. I thought my microphone was interfering with it previously. Right now my mouse is actually blocked and it can't work. So what's happening here is I'm running 3D Gaussian from in a conda environment, DreamGaussian, and it has taken a word, in this case tree, from me, and it is eating up my graphics card, and it is using Stable Diffusion to create a picture of a tree, turn that into a point cloud, then using, I believe, Gaussian splatting to figure out how the tree should be shaped, and then turning that into a 3D object. The idea behind this is that you can walk around an environment and say car, butterfly, tree, house, and using generative AI create an object for you in that world. Now, this is my first attempt at it, and I got it working tonight, which is great, but it is not usable as a game per se, or at all. So what I would do to make this better would be I would run it on another graphics card, say on a rumpad environment, and I would import it. So there's my tree. Now this is a very poor version of a tree. You can use the second file, main2.py, inside of the DreamGaussian program, and it'll actually make an even better version of this, but this fits my purpose. So let's see if I can make another thing. Let's say elephant. So once again, frozen, and can't use it, but the object is in there. It came from nothing. As you can see, it wasn't in my assets folder, and now it is in my assets folder, and it's completely imported. So what I'll do is I will make a copy of this start listening program, which just uses Microsoft's speech to text, so everybody can use it. DreamGaussian is on a GitHub, which I'll put in here, and I put the DreamGaussian environment inside the Unity package just above the assets folder, and I created a conda environment called DreamGaussian that I installed all the necessary stuff, including the CUDA runtime toolkit 12.1, and yeah, I actually don't know what I'm going to get here, but as I said, whatever I got here can be improved upon by using main.2. There's a whole list in the README file about how to create different types of objects, but I've always imagined wearing a virtual reality headset, going around and creating a world as you go through it, and I think this would be really cool, especially if you could offload a lot of the processing, or maybe if I had a better graphics card, or maybe it's my environmental systems, I'm not too sure. Oh, let's see what we got. Oh, it's inside. Okay, I'll just it's all in the same place, so if I just go into elephant.mesh, scene, where is it? That's my pink elephant, apparently. It's hideous. I guess I can see an elephant out of that. As I said, there's better versions coming, and this is hideous. But yeah, there you go. Thank you for having a look at my first video about this. Bye.